Hi friends, reading all of us do, but how to read systematically? No one has taught us. Let me tell you, there is something called preview. Means before you start reading a book, look at the book, read the title, simply the best. Look at the author's picture, read the author's name, and then read little bit about the author. And the moment you look at the book and then touch the book and then feel it, you know how heavy the book is. It smooth or harsh, and how is the cover page, is it okay? The moment you read the title, brain will get some idea, and who is this author, what are his credentials to write this book. And then what you should do, you just open the book, read the preface and the foreword, read the basic chapters. Once you read the chapter titles, brain will get some idea which chapter you need to read, which you need to skip it. And then you just go through the pages, just scan through them, see any pictures are there, any cartoons are there, any tables are there, any numerical data is there, just check that. Then what will happen, brain will form some idea. Then when you start reading it, brain will understand why am I reading this book. So first thing is called preface. Very important. So normally what people do, they take a book, they simply jump into reading the book. So it will take some time for the brain as to understand what this book is all about. What do I want from this book? Should I complete this? I want some outline idea. I want total idea. I only want some additional data. Why am I reading? How much time should I invest on this book? Which chapter I need, which I don't need? So you will take a lot of time. If you can do this preface, you are in the right frame of mind, you know exactly what to do. Number one. Number two, what you should do, whenever you are reading, read in small chunks of time. Read 15 minutes, put 10 pages target, and then complete reading. I'm just giving one example. It could be 20 pages, it could be 25 pages. I'm just telling you that every time you read little time. And third thing is, once you read it, keep the book down and then close your eyes and then try to recollect as to what you read in this book, right? Try to recollect. And then before reading, during reading, after reading, ask yourself questions. Why am I reading this book? What am I trying to understand? What am I trying to get out of this book? Why am I doing this? Okay, ask this question. And once you ask this question, because brain always will look for what we want. Imagine I'm walking, my shoe got torn, I will be looking for a cobbler. I want to watch a movie, my eyes will be looking for a movie theater. I'm hungry and I'll be looking for a hotel. I want a pen, my eyes will be looking for a stationery shop. Right? I want to buy a watch, my eyes will be looking for a watch. So you always look for what you want. So similarly, when you ask these questions, then things will automatically fall in place. You know exactly why are you reading and what you're reading. Ask questions, why? And then next thing what you should do is try to take feedback. See, every time there's a book, hundreds and thousands of people must have read about this book earlier. They've given their book review, they must have given what is worth in this book, what is not worth it in this book. Read those reviews, that will give you some idea as to, is this book worth investment of my time or not? If you can plan this, you'll be able to systematically you go ahead about reading this book. Otherwise, you will not be able to complete all the books, because this whole world has got so many books. It is literally impossible to read every book written by every author on every subject in every language. It's just not possible. So we have limited time on this planet. Every book you can't read, but you want to become successful. You want to be number one in your profession. You want to be number one in your academic career. You want to be a good speaker. You want to have grip, and you want to master the subject that you want to give a speech about. So that book I want to read. So you have to be very choosy and very careful as to where I am not going to invest my time. And this few techniques, strategies will help you systematically approach reading a book. So from today, don't simply jump into reading the book, but do little bit of this background work about the book. Then you know that you are going to invest your time much more effectively. You are much more systematic, because people can do who is more systematic, who is more organized, that person is going to become much more successful. Try this out and you will see that you started enjoying reading this book.